Hi friends, this is Alpna Kale. Welcome to my Feelings Hatke world. I am very excited to get your attention to my newly made album which will preserve all the memories of an expected mom and her child. So without wasting any time, let me take you to the walkthrough of this album. The size of this album is 8.5 by 8.5 and the width of the spine is 5 inches. Here I use so many embellishments, baby embellishment, then pretty flowers, cute little flowers. Then I put a saying, a quote says a baby is a blessing, gift from heaven above, a precious little angel to cherish and to be loved. Here I put one more quote which is saying we are having baby. This album has so many pages and interactions. And on the spine I put this hot air balloon which you can slide. So this is a cute thing which a mom can do it and later she can show it to her child. Here I kept a ribbon closure to tie this album, and on the first page I kept one card and one envelope. The card is saying big news to be announced. So here the mom can put some pictures, and in the letter she can, in the envelope she can write some letter. Then these are two cards. First is saying congratulations to the new parents, and here the mom can write about first heartbeat, her experience. If she wants, she can put some pictures also, and on this card it is said first craving. So she can write about it, and even if she wants, she can put some pictures. Here it is written cherish the precious moments. Now there is a gatefold closure where she can put some pictures. If she wants, she can put two small pictures, or if she wants, she can put two big pictures. Now there is a pocket for sonography report, and if she wants, she can put other things in this pocket. Now moving on to the second page. Here it is written eating for two, and here she can put some pictures, 3-4 pictures, and I provided two note cards, which first is first cake, first cake and set up nursery, so she can write about it. Now the first purchase of for baby, so she can put some pictures on this page. Now there is a cascading photo mats where I kept 9 photo mats for 9 months. If she wants, she can put pictures, or if she wants, she can write about her experiences, what she is feeling in these days. Now it is said coming soon. Now the baby is halfway and second trimester is started, so she can put some pictures. And there are some pop-up elements. When you open it, the elements are popping up. Now there are two cards where she can put some pictures or write whatever she wants, and it is written hello third trimester, and I provided two cards for girl names and boy names. She can write the names what she have decided, and if she wants, she can put some pictures as well. Now this is a swing photomat where she can put two pictures back to back. This is a very cute swing mechanism, and on the left and right hand side she can put two big pictures or four small pictures. Now this is a belly band for tour hospital and pack hospital bag. So she can write the instructions, and here she can put some photos for her baby shower. Now this is a very special card, as it is saying welcome to the world baby. This is the first photo of the baby, so here she can put the baby photo. So this is a peekaboo card. When she put the photo and she open the card, the photo of the baby will reveal. Now here also she can put a small photo, and I provided a pocket to keep the certificates for baby girl and boy, because we don't know whether it will be a baby girl or baby boy. Now there is a pop-up card where two elements are popping up. Small cute characters are popping up. Here she can put some pictures. If she wants, she can put two small pictures or one big picture. Or if she wants, she can put one picture of her and one picture of baby. Sorry, I forgot to close that first card. So here I have provided one card and one envelope. She can put the picture here, and here she can write or put some pictures of baby smile for the first time. So she can preserve the memories of the baby. Now this is a waterfall card where she can put the pictures of her family, baby. So she can put several photos, and here also there is so much room for big pictures. So here she can put a family picture to this big photomat, and there are 10 photomats where she can put the baby pictures, and two big photomats where she can put a family photograph. There is a ribbon closure. Now these are two cards. First story, reading by daddy. So she can write the memories or put some photos. And onto the second card it is said favorite rhymes. So she can write the favorite rhymes of the baby. And there is a pop-up element where she can put some pictures. When she opens the door, this element pops up. So in this pop-up element she can put some pictures, and when you open this, see, when you open this, these two photomats will pop up. So she can put two big photos here. Now there is a magnetic closure, and here also she can put one picture. When you open it, on this pop-up element she can put 4 photos, and to the left and right side also, if she wants, she can paste some photos. Now there is a gatefold where she can put photos of 3-month baby and 6 months baby, or if she wants, she can write about the activities of the kid. Now there is another pop-up element. When she will open, 2 big photomats will reveal, and there are 2 cards saying said dad for the first time and said mom for the first time. Here she can put some pictures, 2 big pictures she can put, or if she wants, she can put 4 small pictures. Now on to the back side of this card, also she can put some pictures, and there is a pocket to keep some note cards. Baby crawled for the first time and similar cards. So she can keep these note cards, and here she can put a big photo, and here she can put either big photos horizontally or vertically, or if she want to put, she can put 4 square pictures. Now there is a pocket with a note card where it is written cute, so she can write about the activities, or she can put pictures to one side and write on the other side. And there is a pop-up element where she can put 2 photos. When she'll open, this element will pop up. Can you see this is going up? The photo is going, and these photomats are going up. Now there are 4 pockets for first haircut, first festival, first word, and stood up without support. So it's a rocking photomat kind of thing. It's a 3D element. Where she can put 2 photos. She can put 2 photos here. And once it opens, you can rotate it. So it's a very interesting rotating photomat. See, you can rotate this photomat, and once you close it, it becomes flat. This is the beauty of this photomat. And there is a magnetic closure so that it will fix to the place. Now this is the last page of this photo book. So friends, this was the baby album where you can paste so many pictures, and there is a room for so much journaling. I hope you like this project. Please leave your comments in the comment section and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you so much, friends.